How to reset Spotify settings. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is open up Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the search bar and type Spotify. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Spotify and click on uninstall. Then tap on uninstall, then reinstall Spotify. Now the next method is go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Then scroll down and click on apps. Now go to app management. Now find Spotify. Now tap on Spotify. Click on force stop. Then go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now restart Spotify and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.